Hey Tesla Model Y owners! Tesla Model Y wheel spacers increase inner wheel clearance, which is essential for wider tires or larger brakes. They ensure proper back spacing to prevent rubbing. They also widen the track width, which expands tire contact for a smoother, more stable ride. The diode in handling makes driving a blast. Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are the easiest and cheapest way to achieve an aggressive stance. Today, we are breaking down safe sizes and top brands. How to choose the right Tesla Model Y wheel spacer size. More wheel clearance. Need clearance for a big brake kit. 3mm to 5mm spacers work by clearing the calipers without turning the OEM wheel style. Fender gap. Use a straightedge to measure the distance from your rim or tire to the fender. Is your gap 12mm? 12mm spacers will give you a perfect first stance. Extra modifications. Wide-body kits with stock wheels. Use spacers that are over 30mm to avoid rubbing and elevate the Tesla Model Y bloat look. Legal considerations. Most places are legal, but some US states may require tires with the body with it. Spacers between 7 and 50mm are a safe bet. Which Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are the best? BONOSS stands out for its commitment to safety, precision, and strength. Its forged, FT cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers meet global standards. Here's why they are top tier. FT cooling for safe upgrades. BONOSS Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to improve brake cooling, distributed in a petal shape. These screws allow the outside cold air to continuously flow inside the wheel spacer as it rotates. The airs remove the heat, thus achieving the purpose of FT heat dissipation for the brake system. Aerospace materials for improved strength. BONOSS use aerospace-grade 60661T6 or 0075T6 aluminum that is corrosion resistant and tough. The high strength making it ideal for the track or stretch. Strong fasteners for enhanced stability. ISO grade 12.9 bolts with over 75 SGS and TÜV certifications for maximum safety. BONOSS FT cooling design, certified strength, and perfect fit make them ideal for Tesla Model Y. Demand the best, go BONOSS. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.